was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. And though he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one fateful day, he passed my way. And though he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. His name was McPhee on sax. And though he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, but so very wise was he. And then one day he passed my way. And though he he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.